Disturbing news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. In Rajouri Sundarbani area, there's been a terror attack at an army vehicle. The Rajouri area, remember, is in the Jammu region. The terrorists have attacked an army vehicle in Jammu. This is in many ways, remember, in the past few years, we've seen how these jihadists sponsored by Pakistan have changed their strategy from the Kashmir Valley now to the Jammu region, where also, frankly, the terrain is more wide, difficult sometimes to be able to trek, and therefore this time in Rajouri, forces have been attacked. This is in Sundarbani area. Ashraf Wani joins me for the latest on that. Ashraf, what are you hearing presently about the developing details that are coming in?
Actually, there are reports that army vehicle which was of the Jammu and Kashmir Light Infantry Div that was going through the Sundarbani area through a village which was fired by the terrorists. Some 3 to 4 rounds of fire is being reported being fired on the vehicle. Now the area has been immediately cordoned off so that those attackers could be nabbed who have attacked this army vehicle in the Sundarbani area. We have seen it is not the first time when this kind of terror attack has been carried out by the terrorists who infiltrate from the Pakistani side, then enter into the Indian territory and target the security forces. And this time this vehicle has been targeted and attacked by the terrorists in the Sundarbani area of Rajouri district near the LOC in a village. The area has been cordoned off. As I said, there is not any report of any casualty or any injuries among the security forces, but security forces have confirmed that 4 to 5 gunshots had been fired towards the vehicle, and it is visible that probably there are terrorists hiding in the area near that particular spot.
Ashraf, you're telling us that this is the JAKLI, the Jammu Kashmir Light Infantry, which means the soldiers are from J&K itself. And like you're telling us, the strategy shifting from targeting in Kashmir now to Jammu. Tell us more about Sundarbani. For the viewer who may not know, does this fall near the border area with Pakistan, near the line of control in Rajouri? Tell us more about it, and how possibly the terrorists have been able to attack even an army vehicle in Rajouri area.
As I said, that this area is near the line of control in the Nowshera sector, and the Rajouri as well as the Sundarbani and the Nowshera come in the same periphery. And recently we had seen there was an ID blast which was being believed that it was carried out by the terrorists, the Pakistani terrorists near the line of control. In that particular terrorist attack, 2 soldiers also got injured. There was also the ceasefire violation in the Poonch sector of the same region, where there was also 3 days back a brigadier level flag meeting between the India and Pakistan, so that these ceasefire violations could be averted on the line of control. But despite that, we are seeing, as the Indian security agencies and the Indian army is saying, that Pakistani army is pushing more and more terrorists into the Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the Jammu region, that is Poonch, Rajouri, and this is going on for last 1 year so far. Many terrorist attacks were carried out by these terrorists in the Rajouri, Poonch and the Nowshera sector, and this one is also being believed one like such attack. But so far there is the good news that there is not any kind of casualty among the security forces and the armed forces, and the area has been cordoned off. Probably after the operation it will be clear that what is the exact number of these terrorists, how they came and how they managed to target this army vehicle in the Sundarbani area.
Ashraf, keep tracking the latest on that. I'll come back to you in just a short while. This is a reminder also, remember, of how our soldiers have to be on constant alert. Even during routine movement, they can be targeted in Rajouri. This needs more security updates, because remember, this is not literally when there is a confrontation. The terrorists have been able to fire at an army vehicle. Of course, retaliatory firing also is happening from the Indian Army. Needless to say that, we'll be tracking all that and more from Rajouri coming in.